Hi everybody. This video shows the pattern using とたんに. This is an intermediate level pattern at the N3 level in the Japanese language proficiency test. To help you remember better, whenever you see this pause icon, pause the video and either answer the question out loud or repeat the answer out loud. This pattern indicates that something happened immediately after something else. It's often equivalent to as soon as or the moment that. Here's an example.
梅雨が明けた途端、セミが鳴き始めた。
In most cases, you make this pattern by placing とたん or とたんに after the past form of a verb. However, there's also a set phrase, そのとたんに. So now let's try some practice examples.
出会った途端に運命を感じました。電話に出た途端に切れました。彼は結婚した途端、太り始めました。1億円当たったって言ったら、その途端にみんなの態度が変わった。警官の姿を見た途端、彼は走って逃げた。先生が入ってきた途端に、賑やかだった教室は静かになった。電車のドアが開いた途端、大勢の人が降りてきた。そのワインを飲んだ途端、彼は苦しみ始めた。座った途端に椅子が壊れた。
Today's pattern was number 73 in the ebook Natural Japanese at a Glance, N3 Patterns. This ebook is available from Amazon and Apple Books. Sound files are provided for both editions, but the Apple edition lets you access all the sound files from inside the actual ebook. As always, if you liked this video, please give it a like. If you want to hear about new videos, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.